Hello, good morning everyone. I am Gaurav Tiwari from Dehri Onson, Bihar. Today I am presenting my PPT and my topic is Fundamentals of Programming. So now I am present my PPT slide first. Hardware. Hardware is the machine. Hardware is the machine itself and its various individual equipment. It includes all mechanical, electronics, and magnetic devices such as monitor, printer, electronic circuit, floppy, and hard disks. And my next slide is that software. Software refers to the set of computer programs which are used in applications and operating systems. It is the collection of programs which increases the capabilities of the hardware. Software guides the computer at every step, where to start and stop during a particular job. The process of software development is called programming. And my next slide, types of software and software types. Application software. Application software is a set of programs for a specific application. Application software is useful for word processing, accounting, producing statistical reports, graphics, Excel, and database. Programming language COBOL, Fortran, C++, VB, VC, Java, and etc. System software. When you switch on the computer, the program written in ROM executed which activates different units of your computer and makes it ready for you to work. This set of program can be called software. System software are generally programs designed for performing tasks such as controlling all operations required to move data into out of the computer. System software allows application package to be run on the computers. Manufacturers build up and supply this system software with the computer system. DOS, Unix, Windows are some of the widely used operating system software. Out of this, Unix is a multi-user operating system, whereas DOS, Windows are PC-based. PC-based. And my next slide, programming language. Programming languages especially developed so that you could pass your data and instruction to the computer to do specific job. There are two major type of programming language, low level language and high level language. Low level language are further divided into machine language and assembly language. High level language for scientific application, Fortran and C language are used. On the other hand, COBOL is used for business applications. My next slide is that machine language. Machine language is the only language that is directly understood by the computer. It does not need any translator program. The only advantage is that program of machine language very fast. There is nothing below machine language, only hardware. Impossible to read for humans, consist for only 0 and 1. In the earliest days of computers, the only programming language available were machine language. Each computer had its own machine language, which has made of streams of 0 and 1. Assembly language. The next evolution in programming can with idea of replacing binary code for instruction and addresses with symbols. Because they used symbols, these languages were first known as symbolic languages. The set of these mnemonic languages were later referred to as assembly languages. It is the first step to improve the programming structure. You should know the computer can handle numbers and letters. The set of symbols and letters forms the assembly languages, and a translator program is required to translate the assembly language to machine language. This translator program is called assembler. Advantages. Assembly language is easier to understand and saves a lot of time and efforts. It is easier to correct errors and modify program instructions. Assembly language has the same efficiency of execution as the machine level language. And this my next subtopic is disadvantages. Assembly language is the machine dependent. Program written for one computer might not run in the other computer with different hardware configuration. And my next slide, high level language. Although assembly languages greatly improve programming efficiency, they still required programmers to concentrate on the hardware they are using. Working with symbolic languages was also very tedious because each machine instruction had to be individually coded. The desire to improve programmers' efficiency and to change the focus from the computer to the program being solved led to the computer of high-level languages. Assembly and machine languages require deep knowledge of computer hardware, whereas in higher language you have to know only the instruction in English words and logic of the programs. And my next slide is compiler. It is program translator and translate the instruction of high level languages to machine languages. It is called compiler because it compiles machine languages instructions for every program instruction of high level languages. And in this subtopic compiler, many things are included, but I can understand. It is sufficient for understanding why I said it. Interpreter. An interpreter is another type of program translator used for translating higher level language into machine languages. It takes one statement of higher level languages, translate into machine language, and immediately execute it. Translation and execution are carried out for each statements. The advantages of interpreter compared to compiler. It is fast response to changes in source program. It doesn't require large memory in computer. And my next slide is execution process. Start, then its instructions, yes, fetch, decode, execute, and stop. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.